Hi, good morning. Today Sunday. I will got a little fun plan for today. It is a outdoor sketching. Hope you will stay tuned to my video until the end. So, first I'm gonna show you where I'm going to this morning. Here is the place, the relaxing greenery park. It's just a few steps from my house. Before going out, let me show you what kind of art material I will bring out for this outdoor sketching. From left to right, dark blue hardboard clipboard, my drawing toolbox, a sketchbook, and two different sizes of tripod. Sometimes, escaping the walls of your house, classroom, or studio can be exactly what you need to find inspiration for your art. My advantage of this morning and just draw around my housing area. I think it's good practice, especially drawing outside and drawing some real life. So I'm just gonna go to different places outside and do some little sketches. First, find a good location, nice object, and start doing spontaneous sketching. I think here is a good place for me to start my sketch. Sometimes looking for a good place to draw is not easy. It depends on the locations. It is too hot for me because I will stay at the location for more than 40 minutes. So looking a good place, good location is my first priority task. It is important to do some observation your object first. Notice how the tones between the objects and their surrounding space. Focus on the object you need to draw and how to mix well the surrounding environment. But remember, outdoor sketches always quick and fast. I do not encourage to stay too long in the same place. It will defeat the purpose. First step. Construct the object forms in a very light pencil outline. Sketch the object lightly and this makes it easy to change any mistake and erase any line of construction. Simple construct also will help you to organize the composition of the group. It makes it easy to see the shape, position, and proportion of each object in relation to its neighbors. Second step, you are now ready to work on the detail of each object. Final step, in this step, some basic tones are lightly applied to each object to help build up its three-dimensional form. Done. Okay, now I'm going to search another location, object to continue my sketching. Done. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thanks for support. Goodbye.